Before you begin, be sure the car is parked safely and it's turned off. Always be mindful of hot components like radiator hoses, caps, and other things you can burn yourself on. Replacement of the air filter on the Infiniti QX50 with a 2-liter VC turbo engine is simple and straightforward, requires no tools, and can be done in about 5 minutes. Located at the top rear of the engine itself, the air filter box is easily accessed with a bit of reaching. The engine's plastic sound cover does not need to be removed to change the filter, but it makes the job easier. The sound cover snaps into place and can be removed easily by simply prying it away from the engine. To remove the old filter, simply release the 3 clips at the front and side of the air filter box with your fingers, or a screwdriver if necessary. Once released, tilt the top of the air filter box rearward to give access to the filter element. You can now easily pull the old filter element out and replace it with a new one. Inserting a new filter takes a little care, being sure not to scrape it or damage it on the metal clips as you slide it into place. Note that the rear of the filter box is held into place with tabs, so be sure it's in proper alignment or it won't close properly. Once you have a new filter element in place and properly seated, you can snug the filter box top closed and secure it into place with the 3 metal clips. Finish by inspecting to assure that there are no gaps or pinched edges of the filter showing. For more detail on the Infiniti QX50 VC turbo engine, we have additional videos linked below in the information section or to the right. You can also subscribe to our channel by clicking on our logo. Thanks for watching.